What's up, guys? This is the video I was gonna post next, but I figured I'd do it anyway while I was working on this. This is a 2003 Dodge Durango. It actually falls right in between. It could be considered a 04, but in the computer the only options is an 03, so we're gonna call it an 03. So it has a very common problem. The valve covers, the rubber seals have started leaking. They just get hard and they stop sealing the oil off, so it starts leaking everywhere. It gets on the exhaust, starts smelling real bad. And so a lot of people I've seen online are having problems getting this side off. This other side, that's pretty simple. You got to move a few things out of the way, but there's not much to that side. But this side is a little tricky because you have the brake booster right here that sits right there in that hole. So when you get the valve cover loose, it won't come off because that brake booster's on there. And I just wanted to share with y'all, it's super easy to get the brake booster off. It's literally 4 bolts, or 4 nuts, excuse me, and a clip. So let me get up under here and show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see real well, but here's the clip, and it goes on the rod that is on the brake booster, and it just clips up here onto the brake pedal. Right, you kind of see that little rod up there. It just clips on there, so you just unclip that. That's real easy. And then you got 4 of these nuts. It's a 15 millimeter. You just pop them off, all 4 of them, and that gets the brake booster loose. And then all you got to do is take the 2 13 millimeter nuts off of the master cylinder. And it's a little tight fit. Try not to turn this thing upside down because you'll have to breathe your brakes again. I didn't, but just you got to be real careful with it. And there's a connector that comes off of it, and then you just slide that out of the way, and this brake booster pops right out of here, and then it gives you all the clearance you need to take this valve cover off with ease. All you got to do is take this wiring harness loose and a couple hoses, and this thing pops right off. It makes it so much easier. I've seen videos where guys leave the brake booster in, and you can do that, but the problem I've had, if you don't have like full clearance to put your valve cover back on when you put the new gaskets on, is what'll happen is you'll have this gasket in here, and then you go to try to make it fit in there, and it grabs on something and pulls the gasket off of the valve cover, and then you get it all sealed in there, and you think it's all sealed, then you have a massive leak because the gasket isn't lined up right. So in my opinion, this is the best method to do it, and it literally took me maybe 5 or 10 minutes to get the brake booster off, and another 5 or 10 minutes to get the rest of this and get this valve cover off. So it's not that hard. So there's a little quick tip for y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure and like the video and subscribe to my page, please. Thank you. Have a blessed day.